Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the app version and device meet beta requirements. This prevents immediate rejections. Once done, clear the app cache and ensure your account uses a verified email or phone because unverified accounts are often blocked. Then open TikTok settings, navigate to the beta or experimental features section, and tap Join or Request. This sends your enrollment. If the form appears full, still submit to queue or retry after brief intervals, because slots can free up quickly. If you hit a full status, don't stop. You should refresh the enrollment page and try at off-peak times because openings appear when users drop out. Once you've retried, switch networks or devices to bypass session limits. Use cellular if Wi-Fi shows full or vice versa. Additionally, clear app data or reinstall TikTok so the client requests a fresh token from the server. This often resolves stale session problems and allows your request to be accepted when a slot opens. Once accepted, check your email and the app for a confirmation or beta badge and grant requested permissions so features load properly. If the beta is accepted but features aren't active, toggle the experimental feature switches, restart the app, and log out and back in to force the update. If you still can't enroll after repeated attempts, contact TikTok support with screenshots and timestamps. Provide device model and app version, because that detail speeds troubleshooting and may.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.